If your transmission is acting up and you feel like your car is stuck in one gear refusing to shift, you might be dealing with the P0849 trouble code. This specific diagnostic trouble code indicates an intermittent issue with the transmission fluid pressure sensor or switch B circuit. Basically, your vehicle uses this sensor, often located on the valve body inside the transmission or screwed into the side of the case, to convert mechanical fluid pressure into an electrical signal that the powertrain control module can understand. When the signal coming from the B circuit of this sensor goes haywire or falls outside the normal voltage range expected by the computer, the system flags it. This is a common issue on many OBD-II equipped vehicles, but we see it quite frequently in Nissan models, as well as Hondas, Toyotas, and Chevrolets. The symptoms can be frustrating because the car might enter a fail-safe mode, also known as limp mode, where it starts off in second or third gear to protect the transmission from further damage. You will likely see the malfunction indicator light turn on, and you might notice a significant change in shift quality, feeling harsh or delayed. While this code often points to an electrical failure like a corroded connector, a short to ground, or a broken wire, it is crucial not to overlook the possibility of internal mechanical issues like a stuck valve or low fluid pressure. Before you rush to replace parts, start by checking for any technical service bulletins for your specific vehicle, as manufacturers often release updates for known issues like this which could save you time and money. If no bulletins exist, locate the sensor and inspect the wiring harness carefully. You are looking for signs of scraping, melted plastic, or bare wires. Pull the connector apart and check the terminals for a green tint, which indicates corrosion. This is the number one enemy of transmission electronics. If the terminals are dirty, use some electrical contact cleaner and a plastic bristle brush to clean them up, then apply some electrical grease. If the wiring looks good, you will need to grab a digital voltmeter. With the key on but the engine off, check the reference voltage at the sensor connector to see if you are getting the required 5 volts or 12 volts. Wiggle the wires while testing to see if the reading jumps, which would confirm an intermittent connection. If the voltage is stable, switch to an ohmmeter to check the sensor resistance against the manufacturer specifications. If the sensor fails the resistance test, it is time to replace the transmission fluid pressure sensor. However, if all electrical tests pass, you might be looking at a more complex internal transmission problem or, rarely, a faulty control module that needs reprogramming. If you are not comfortable diving inside a transmission, this is the moment to call a professional, but solving the wiring issues first often clears this code for good.